Want to know how to care for and prune your cottage garden roses? Today, we delve into the art of nurturing these beauties, emphasizing how vital proper care and pruning are. In just a few simple steps, you can ensure your cottage garden roses thrive and bloom spectacularly. First and foremost, it's crucial to provide your roses with the essentials they need. Hydration, nourishment, and sunlight are the key ingredients to a flourishing rose garden. Watering should be deep and infrequent, allowing the soil to slightly dry out between sessions. Feeding your roses a balanced diet of nutrients can promote strong, healthy growth. And remember, these beauties adore the sun, requiring at least 6 hours daily. Learn to read your roses. They'll tell you if they're happy. With these basics covered, your roses are well on their way to being healthy and vibrant. Now, let's delve into the art of pruning, a critical step in maintaining your roses. Pruning your cottage garden roses is a dance between science and intuition. Ideally, the best time to prune is in early spring, just before the leaf buds swell. Equipped with sharp, clean secateurs, start by removing dead, damaged, or diseased stems. Then cut back the remaining stems by about 1/3, making sure to make your cuts at a 45-degree angle just above an outward-facing bud. This helps to promote better air circulation and encourages new growth. The result? Healthy, vigorous roses that will reward you with an abundance of blooms. Remember, pruning is not just about cutting back. It's about shaping your roses to grow better and bloom more profusely. Taking care of your cottage garden roses might seem like a daunting task, but with these tips, it's entirely manageable. Remember, proper care, which includes adequate watering and fertilizing, is essential to keep your roses healthy and vibrant. Pruning, too, plays a vital role in promoting growth and maintaining the structural integrity of your rose bushes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!